What's up, y'all? Here's a little quick video. I was gonna show this to you. This is my 2008 Lexus RX350. I mean, it's a cool car, but nothing really too interesting about it. It's just a regular RX350. What's interesting about this car is that I bought this car for $1,500. I had replaced the headlight, both the doors and the fender, all same color parts, so it was pretty easy. And it was cheap, you know. I wound up spending more in parts on that than the car, about $3,300 in it. Now, the prior owner was not really, let's just say he wasn't very neat. And so the inside of this car is very dirty. I haven't got around to dealing with that. I've only had it about 3 months, and it's kind of a work in progress. But as you can see, it's your standard fare RX. But what was amazing to me about this car, and part of the reason I bought it, is I want you guys to take a look at that mileage. That's miles, that is not kilometers. This is Alabama. This car has 417,735 miles on it. It was serviced at Lexus its entire life up until the last owner went to about 360,000. Got a stack of papers, literally that thick, that I got from the Lexus dealer. They were so impressed by it, the lady came out and took a picture of the mileage to show to her guys. Said she'd only seen one other one like this. But to be perfectly honest, yeah, I don't see why not. Everything in this car works too. There's nothing in this car that doesn't work. It's rain sensing wipers. They didn't work properly, but they don't work properly on any of these. So that's not really so much, it's not an issue. All the windows roll down, all the gauges work. The 6-disc changer in the dash, I don't even know how the hell it works. The nav system works. Speakers were blown up, put some speakers in it, put some tires, I put 4 struts on it because they were so wore out, it was incredibly dangerous to drive. The only light I have on right here is a couple lights. This one's just a gear indicator. That one right there is for the windshield washer, and this thing had those, you know, headlights that you could clean going on the road. I found that pretentious and stupid, so I just deleted it. But the pump was damaged, and so that leaks there. I've got to fix that. And the tire pressure indicator, which will stay on forever because I just put valve stems in here because I hate those things. And I've got this little doolally here, and you probably can't see it, but it displays the temperature of the tires and the pressure, so I know exactly which one it is. It's way better. And that costs $25, and one of those sensors costs $25, $30 a piece if you're lucky. And they're very, very unreliable. But other than that, you know, this it's 100%. Everything works on it. 417,735 miles. Challenge one of you guys to beat that.